Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Live Live. My name is Vikram and I am going to take you through this beautiful animation that we are going to create today in our PowerPoint 2019. So let's begin the process of learning. So we are at the blank screen of PowerPoint. We go to Insert tab, then Shapes, and we are going to select this shape and we draw it of blue color. We will resize it to 7 cm by 7 cm. Perfect, it's done. Right now place it to the little bit bottom part of the screen. Nice. Go to shape outline, then create. In 3 point we have selected and shape outline to little bit very light gray color. Perfect. Then we Control D, we have duplicated the object and we are resizing it to 6.6 cm, and we will place this object over the another one at the exactly same location. Perfect. Now we need to group them together. Perfect. Now we are going to the Format Shape tab. We are going to the gradient fill. We are selecting black color on one side and this blue color on the other side. Perfect. Now go to this 3D format option. We are selecting this top bevel circular round option and we are increasing its width and its height to 15 point each. It's looking nice now. Well done. Now what we need to do, select this one and press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and actually we need to copy this 4 times and we need to adjust them. So we have to make way to rotate. No, it's not working. So Ctrl Z, we will place it here and we need to rotate it by 90 degrees to the left. Okay, fine. Now it's working. Perfect. We have placed this. Good. We will select both these shapes, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and we are going to flip them vertically. Perfect. Now we will move them to the upper side and we will adjust them symmetrically. So we will adjust them symmetrically. Done. Very nice. Very beautiful picture has been created. Very nice object with 3D dimensions have been created. Now we will recolor each of them one by one. Select the second one and we are selecting the yellow color. It's getting lighter. We'll select the darker one. Perfect. This black color is not coming to the bottom, so we need to adjust this. As we have flipped it so that gradient fill is working in the opposite direction, so we need to have some hit and trials. Now it's fine. Select the second shape and here also we need some hit and trials to make it perfect. Okay, select the other shape and we need to fill the color to the green one. Here also we need some hit and trials. Perfect. Select the final shape and the orange color we have filled it gradiently, and perfect. This blue one is not looking nice, so we need to change the type. Now it's fine. There are no other options looking nicer than it, so we have to adjust it. Okay, so this is the object that we have created. Now we will select all these. Either we can press Ctrl+A and we have grouped them together, and we have locked the aspect ratio so that the image does not distort when we maximize it or when we change the size. Go to insert tab, text box. Perfect. We have written a simple S because we are going to create a template for SWOT analysis. So bold, we have selected the font and the color to little gray one. So we have written S there. Select all, increase its size and adjust it. Still it's looking smaller. Increase the size and adjust it. Select the S and adjust its size. Then Ctrl D 3 times. Okay, the S will be replaced by T here. Fine. Move the other S to the weakness portion. S we will replace it by W, and the other one we will copy it to the O. Opportunities. The SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. It's a very widely used management tool. Go to the text box and any complementary descriptive text. We can also write directly on the shape, but we will not prefer this because that shape has been inverted and the text will also will be inverted. So any descriptive text can be written here, can be added here. So we have typed this. We will change its font and center it. The font to copper black and the color to little grayish one. Fine. We'll make it bold and Ctrl D 3 times to duplicate this text box and place this to the center of every object. Fine. Nice. Very nice effect it's giving now. Very nice. Also very nice. Go to icons. We are going to insert actually a company logo. You can place it of yours company logo here. So the shape has been inserted, the icon has been inserted. So change the color to little dark gray. Place it to the top left corner and insert one other text box to write the company name. XYZ Limited we are taking it. So we need to center it and change the text and text size and place it to the center. Very nice. One more thing we are going to insert one more shape to give a brief description about the company portfolios or the company profile. We are giving it a gray color with a shape outline of whitish gray color with a weight of around 3 points. Perfect, this is done, and we will directly write on this shape. We have written it company profile. We will change the text size and we will change the font to copper black. It's gone a little bit wider, so that's nice. So this is the shape that we have created. Very nice. So this is what we have created for now for the SWOT analysis. You can get this free template. Please type in the comment section if you want it, and do subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Keep watching Live Live. Thanks a lot. This is for now, and Vikram signing off. Thanks a lot.